So, imagine you have a numpy array and you need to tackle a particular problem with it. The issue here is identifying repeated elements in the array. We want to mark the second occurrence and beyond as true, while keeping the first occurrence as false. This can be quite tricky to handle, especially if you want to achieve this using only numpy functions without any loops or extra libraries. Now, let's delve into the solution provided earlier. The key to solving this problem lies in using vectorized operations within numpy. The function defined, def find_repeated, starts by checking if the input array is empty and returns an empty Boolean array if it is. Then, it utilizes mp.unique, return_index equals true, to find all unique elements and their respective first indices in the array. Following this, mp.ison with invert equals true is employed to determine which indices do not belong to the list of first occurrence indices. By applying this logic, the function effectively generates a Boolean mask that marks repeated elements beyond the first occurrence as true. In summary, we've explored a neat and efficient way to tackle the problem of identifying repeated elements in a numpy array using only numpy functions. This solution provides a clear and concise approach to achieve the desired outcome without the need for loops or additional libraries. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Remember, coding is fun when you know the tricks.